what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So yeah, guys, for today's video we are on Demon Journey. But guys, before we start this video, I just gotta say, last week when the game came out, I think that was last week, but when the game came out, I made a video on how to become a slayer by The Rock, how to get breeding, how to get how to get how do you call it, how to get how to pass a final selection, and I was gonna put how to rank in it. So yeah, but there are more videos on it now. It's too late to edit my video because I've been too lazy all week to do that. So if you guys still want me to post that video, just comment down, post it. Ooh, Discord. And while you do that, just like and subscribe. So yeah, let's hop in the video. Okay, guys, I'm sorry for that background noise. It's my sister being hella annoying. But yeah, there's this new move in Thunder Breeding, it looks like, because it says Buzzing Mosquito Thunder. How does it look like? We about to find out. I wonder what that does. We finna set out on an NPC later on. But yeah. So first move is Lightning Ball. So Lightning Ball is just a little close range move. It's a little close range move when you're when they're all up on you, just tell them to get off you. But it looks like here is Thunder Flash, Thunder Clap and Flash. But Lightning Ball, it looks like it got these moves got revamped, by the way. But wow, let me look at this again. Okay, now we finna try these on NPCs. So yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, guys, so here is Lightning Ball in close range. Here's Lightning Ball fighting to an NPC. I'm trying to become hybrid, so don't mind. Actually, don't look that bad, to be honest. 2 is Thunderclap. It shows the blood and all that stuff, but still, even if you don't do it, so Thunderclap looks a little bit slower. So yeah, I don't know. And last but not least, the newest move in the block. Buzzing Mosquito Thunder. So yeah, that's how you get it. So yeah, let me just kill this NPC real quick. I just need to get exiled, then I'm done. So yeah, it's gonna take me a little bit. So yeah, thank you for watching. Why don't you like, comment, and subscribe for more. Alright, see ya in the next video.